Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward tutorial on how to change your Chase debit card PIN using the app in 2025. Whether you're beefing up your security, recovering from a forgotten PIN, or just wanting a fresh start, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First off, make sure you have the latest version of the Chase mobile app installed on your smartphone and that you're logged in with your account credentials. If you haven't updated recently, do that now to avoid any glitches. Once you're logged in, open the app and head to the main dashboard. Look for the Accounts or Cards section. It's usually front and center. Tap on your debit card to access its details. This is where the magic happens. Next, scroll down or look for Security or Settings option within your card's page. You should see a feature labeled something like Change PIN or Manage PIN. Go ahead and select that. It might ask for additional verification, like your current PIN, to keep things secure. Now, enter your current PIN when prompted. Don't worry if you're nervous, the app is user-friendly. After that, you'll be asked to create a new PIN. Pick one that's easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess, at least 4 digits, and maybe mix in some numbers for extra safety. Once you've entered your new PIN, the app will ask you to confirm it by typing it in again. Double-check for any typos, then hit the Submit or Confirm button. You'll get a confirmation message that your PIN has been successfully updated. And just like that, you're done. Remember, if you run into any issues, like the app freezing or an error message, try restarting the app or contacting Chase customer support through the help section. This simple step can go a long way in protecting your finances. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more banking tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay secure, and we'll see you in the next video.